Hey everybody! If you'd like to boost your low mobile data speed on your Android and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just get started. We can start by going ahead and toggling the airplane mode. So you can look out for your quick settings panels directly and look out for the airplane mode. So you can look out for the airplane mode, turn it on. And once you do so, you can wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once it is turned on and tap on it to turn it off back again. And that should reset your connection and probably fix your low mobile data speed on your Android. Also close the background applications. You can go to your settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you can go over, scroll down, find the option for battery and device care and tap on it. Go to the battery option, and within your battery, look out for the option for background usage limits. And within here, look out for the option of put unused application to sleep. You just need to turn this option on so that it will automatically put the application to sleep, which are running in the background. And also for better performance, you can just go over and switch to the fastest network type. You can cut for your mobile data. If there are two SIMs available, you can switch to the one with the better performance. And you can also look out for your network like 4G and 5G and connect to them. Also reset your network settings. You can go to your settings for that. And within your settings, you can go over, look out for the search and search for reset. And once you reset, tap on reset network settings and just go over and reset your network settings for your Android devices network. So just go over and confirm it up, and that should also probably fix the issue. And that's it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up to boost the low mobile data speed on your Android. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.